Martin Lewis is urging married couples and those in a civil partnership not to miss out on a tax break worth more than £1,200, just for being together. Writing in the latest edition of the MoneySavingExpert.com, MSE, newsletter, the consumer champion urged couples to claim the annual rebate, worth £252 in the 2023-24 financial year, from Home Revenue and Customs, HMRC, before the current tax year ends on April 5. However, the founder of MSE, stressed the marriage allowance can only be claimed by those in a formally recognized commitment, as it doesn't apply to those cohabiting together. Martin explained it's an important perk that can be very worthwhile, especially as some people may be able to backdate the claim to April 2019. This means couples could potentially be due tax relief worth £1,260, which could definitely help boost household income at the start of the new year. Martin also shared his handy rule of thumb on eligibility, but fear not, there is also a full guide to the marriage tax allowance on MSE. Here, which explains everything in more detail. Martin's marriage allowance rule of thumb: you need to be married or in a civil partnership, not just cohabiting. One of you must be a non-taxpayer, earning under £12,570 per year. The other, a basic 20% taxpayer, earning between £12,570 and up to £50,000 per year, £43,000 in Scotland. If you meet the requirements above, Martin explained, the non-taxpayer can ask to shift 10% of their tax-free allowance to their spouse, meaning they can earn £1,257 extra tax-free. It's worth an extra £252 this year. If you've been eligible since April 2019, it's backdatable to then, provided you apply by April 5, 2024, adding an extra £990 to the rebate. The online marriage allowance calculator on Gov.uk is the quickest and easiest way for couples living in Scotland, England, Wales and Northern Ireland to check if they are eligible for the tax boost. HMRC recently said more than 2.1 million couples currently benefit from marriage allowance, but thousands more may be missing out simply because they don't realize they are eligible, particularly couples where one partner has retired, has given up work to take on caring responsibilities, or is unable to work due to a long-term health condition. Other couples who may be unaware they could claim include those where one partner is working part-time or has a low-paid job and the other has income less than their personal allowance of £12,570. Get the latest record money news. Join the conversation on our Money Saving Scotland Facebook group for energy and money-saving tips, the latest benefits news, consumer help and advice on coping with the cost of living crisis. Sign up to our Record Money newsletter and get the top stories sent to your inbox daily from Monday to Friday, including a special cost of living edition on a Thursday. Sign up here. You can also follow us on X, formerly Twitter, at @RecordMoney_ for regular updates throughout the day. Backdated marriage allowance payments: you can claim back up to 4 years' worth of the tax boost. Below is each tax year and the value of the allowance: 2023-24, £252, 2022/23, £252, 2021/22, £252, 2020/21, £250, 2019/20, £250. Find out more about marriage allowance on Gov.uk here. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages.